Okay, so I'm going to be doing problem number 51 from the chapter 2 homework. And the problem is a student throws a set of keys vertically upward to his fraternity brother who is in a window 4 meters above. The brother's outstretched hand catches the keys 1.5 seconds later. With what initial velocity were the keys thrown, and what was the velocity of the keys just before they were caught? So I already kind of drew a diagram. So this is the brother that's throwing the keys, and then this is a brother that's catching them. So we know that this is a distance of 4 meters, and it takes 1.5 seconds. Okay, so then I'm gonna write down everything that we know. So that would be velocity initial, velocity final, acceleration, change in distance, and time. So the velocity initial is what we're going to find out in problem number 51A. So I'll put a question mark. That means we're trying to find it. And then we know the distance, that's 4 meters. And then the time, which is 1.5 seconds. And then those are the only things that are given to us numerically. But then, since the keys are being thrown upwards, we know that it has a negative velocity of 9.8 meters per second squared. So now we just need to plug everything that we know into a formula to find the velocity initial. So I'm going to use the formula that is this one. So I'm going to use that formula. So now I'm going to plug everything in. So that's everything plugged in, and then we need to solve for the velocity initial. So now I'm gonna plug that into my calculator and solve it. So then that gives us negative 11.025. And then divide by 1.5 on both sides. Velocity initial equals, I'm going to round that up to 10.02 meters per second. Oh, and since it's positive, it's going to be going in the upwards direction. Okay, now 51B. So 51B is asking for what was the velocity of the keys just before they were caught. So that would be the final velocity. So to solve this one, I'm going to use the equation velocity final equals velocity initial plus acceleration times the change in time. So we know velocity initial is 10.02, acceleration negative 9.8 meters per second squared, time 1.5 seconds. So now I'm just going to plug this into my calculator to solve for the final velocity. Final velocity equals 4.68 negative 4.68. And then since it's negative, we know that it's going to be going 4.68 meters per second in the downward direction. So yep, that's pretty much the answer to 51B and also 51A. So thanks for watching. Bye.